This man is about to hold in a sneeze. He thinks it's harmless, but he's just blocked the only exit. All that incredible pressure now has absolutely nowhere to go. You see, a sneeze isn't just a little puff of air. It can travel over 100 miles per hour. When that force is trapped, it has to find a new way out. It starts looking for the weakest points inside your head. The delicate blood vessels in your brain can easily rupture. The intense pressure can even cause your eardrum to tear open. This can all happen because the pressure had nowhere to go. So remember, your body built an exit for a reason.